Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that this scatter plot shows the federally mandated minimum wage every 10 years between 1940 and 2010. A line of best fit is shown, and the equation is y is equal to 0.096x minus 0.488. We're asked, what does this line of best fit predict about the increase in minimum wage over the 70-year period? So if we have the equation y is equal to 0.096x minus 0.488, this is in slope-intercept form, where we have y is equal to x times the slope minus the y-intercept, right? This is normally seen as y equals mx plus b, where m in this case is 0.096 and b is negative 0.488. So what does m and b represent in this problem? Well, m is the rate of change of y over x. So that's going to be the minimum wage over time. And b is the value of y when x is equal to 0. So it's the minimum wage at time is equal to 0. And so we're looking at, in this problem, we have 4 answers. So A, each year between 1940 and 2010, the average increase in a minimum wage was $0.96. I think this checks out. We're looking at the minimum wage, its rate of change over time. So I think this checks out. If we look at the difference between that and C, every 10 years between 1940 and 2010, the average increase in minimum wage was $0.096. That is not the case because we're looking at it year over year, right? This is plotted year over year. We're not looking at it in terms of the data is tracked every 10 years, but the problem, the X value of these points is in years since 1940, not decades since 1940. So it's in a year-by-year basis that this line is being drawn. So it's A and not C. That's going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.